Hello YouTube, Indoor Tech here. Today we're going to install the Unfocused repo. A couple nice add-ons installed there. It's working pretty good, most things. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for notifications. Let's get started. We want a fresh install of Kodi here. Let's go to your settings icon, cogwheel, go to system, your add-on settings. You need to enable unknown sources. You'll get a warning. Just hit yes. And then we'll back up and go back to our file manager. We need to add a source. The source is going to be https://mr-un-kdshub.io/repo. We'll hit OK. Name the repo. I always like to put the period, and then you can name it anything. That forces it to the top and it's easy to find. Let's hit OK. And we'll backspace all the way to the home screen. Find your add-ons, click that, go to the open box here, come down to install from zip file, and that repo we installed right here, click on that, click on repository unfocused, wait for it to say that it's installed. Then we can go to install from repository, our unfocused repository, video add-ons, unfocused, hit install, hit OK. The rest of these dependencies will be installed, script modules. You can see it installing. We'll give that a few seconds to get all loaded up. I also like to install these F4M Tester and Live Streams Pro. It'll have some dependencies and modules inside of those that also help some things work. Your Live Stream Pro install. Let's hit OK. And let that get installed. It's all pretty quick. Now we can go back to our home screen. Our add-ons there, Unfocused, Sandman, and get loaded up. You've got Dead of Night. It's got a bunch of different sections in it for movies, TV shows, documentaries. You got Justice. Outlaw has a lot of your westerns and older TV stuff, movies. That should do it for this one. Like I said, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.